Hey guys, welcome to part 8 of our video log on the 1800 build. On this video we're going to be working on the fans for it. We're getting the 120s all mounted. Thing I'm going to do first is work on these big boy 200s. If you recall, back when we had done the original mods on the Antec 900, I had put blue LEDs in this fan, created into a LED fan. It was just a stock 900 without the LEDs to begin with. So we're going to take these blue ones out because we had picked up 8 red ones from frozen CPU. And so we're going to drill some holes in this one and do the same kind of a mod to it, and then we're going to have to take all the old blue ones out of this one and convert them over to the red. So I'm going to start taking them out and getting ready to drill them. Okay, we have the blue ones all removed. I just wanted to check them before I put them away to make sure that they all survived being taken out. They're kind of hard to get out when they're hot glued. A little tip for you: if you're using hot glue and you need to remove it, especially in this case, I just used my soldering iron and used the tip to heat up the hot glue around them so I could pull them back out. So anything that you need to get the glue off of when you've hot glued it, ironing gun works really good for that. But anyway, we can set them aside for another project. And the next thing I want to do is test all of our new LEDs that came in and make sure they work before we mount them into the fans. Okay, in case you're curious how I tested them, I just used my test power supply and took an old Molex connector that was 12 volt, cut the ends off, and I just tested them one at a time to make sure that they light up. This was the last one, so they're all good, so we can start adding them to the fans. Okay, we are moving right along. We got the wiring done on the 200 millimeter fans for the top. We got all the red LEDs in there. They look pretty good. Everything's all soldered up, wired up, ready to hook them up into the top parts of the case. And I also got 2 of the hard drive cages painted, ready to go in. I'm just going to start with 2 in this case. That'll give us the ability to add 6 drives. I really don't plan on adding more than that at this point. If we want to, we certainly could add more later, but that should be enough to get everything set up. And I also got all the 120 millimeter fans installed in the case, so maybe I can show it with them all running once I get these 200 millimeters installed. Okay, we've gotten some pretty good progress done in the last couple of days. The top fans are now mounted in. Everything is wired in there. We also put the front panel pieces back in. You can see it with the fans installed now. And we also got the 2 hard drive cages that we painted up. We got them installed in here also for the drives. And on this side I got the standoffs in for the motherboard, so we're ready to mount the motherboard in here and start putting some components in here so we can get down to the final parts of this build.